Simplify square root of 20a squared times square root of 5a to the power of 7. Remember, square root of where a and b are positive is square root of 5. You can break 20 to its prime numbers. Half of 20 would be 10, half of 10 would be 5, so 20 is the same as 2 times 2 times 5. So we're going to replace 20 with 2 times 2 times 5. Part of 20 is perfectly squared, and then we have a squared. So we can write this as one giant radical, which we have 2 times 2 times 5 times a squared. Then we're going to have 5a to the power of 7. Part of a to the power of 7 is perfectly squared, so we can write a to the power of 7 as a to the power of 6 times a, or a to the power of 6 times a to the power of 1. So here we have 2 2's, 2 5's. We're going to have a squared. These are all perfectly squared, so let's record them. 2 2's, 2 times 2. Then we have 5 times 5. Then we have a squared. And then we have a to the power of 6. And then we're going to have a all by itself here. So far we have square root of 4, which would be equal to 2. Square root of 25, which would be the same as 5. Square root of a squared, that would be just a. Now we have to figure out what the square root of a to the power of 6 is. If you have nth root of a to the power of m, that would be the same as a to the power of m over n. So if I have square root of a to the power of 6, that would be the same as a to the power of 6 over 2, or a to the power of 3. So I would write this as a to the power of 3 times square root of a. So we have 10a to the power of 4 times square root of a.